Hi, welcome back to MRTV. Today I have something really special for you, a world premiere, something that you've seen on no other YouTube channel yet. So what is this world premiere? Well, recently I've introduced the Modicap Rift S Soundkit to you. This kind of modification kit which would add these Sennheiser HD25 headphones to your Rift S, giving the Rift S the best sound possible. Of course, lots of you have asked me, hey, does Modicap also offer these for the Oculus Quest? And now I can tell you, yes, they do. And this is the world premiere. Here, say hello to the Modicap Oculus Quest Sound Kit. This sound kit will add exactly the same Sennheiser HD25 DJ headphones to your Oculus Quest, making this the best solution for the best audio on the Oculus Quest. Now, how much is this going to set you back? Well, this is going to set you back 129 euros, and this is available starting from today. So 129 euros for all of you who are in the States, that's around $140. Now, some will think, hey, that is quite expensive. But if you check Amazon, and if you go to Amazon.com, and if you look for the Sennheiser HD25 headphones, you will see that they will already cost $149. So this is even cheaper than buying the headphones directly, and it directly comes with this perfect mod that you can beautifully add to your Oculus Quest. Now in this video, I'm not only going to show you the unboxing of this Quest sound kit, I'm also going to compare the sound of this sound kit with the original Oculus Quest sound. And also I'm going to pit them against the Deluxe Audio Strap sound coming out of the Franken Quest mod. And all of this goodness is coming up. Hi and welcome back here at MRTV. My name is Sebastian Ang and this channel is all about VR. So if you just got your Oculus Quest or Rift S or any other headset, and if you're interested in interesting modifications like the Modicap Sound Kit, then absolutely subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button so you don't miss anything. Before we get into the unboxing, the installation and the sound comparison, I would like to clearly state that Modicap is a sponsor of MRTV, and that's why I'm not going to call this a review, but I will simply show to you why I believe that this is the best sound solution for the Oculus Quest. And the great thing is, because these are well-known headphones, Sennheiser HD25, you don't even have to believe what I say as a sponsored guy here on YouTube. You can simply read the reviews about the Sennheiser HD25 and you will find out that these are being used by DJs all over the world for a reason, because the sound simply rocks. With this out of the way, let me show you how to install them. But before we get to the installation, why don't we do a little unboxing? So this is the box that the Quest Sound Kit comes in, and it's a very small box. Well, you don't need lots of space for those headphones. And here they are. These are the Modicap Quest Sound Kit headphones, the Sennheiser HD25. And here is the slider where you can adjust the position and you would like tighten those little screws to fix them. This is the area where you pass through the Quest head strap, and you would first unscrew these two screws and then fix them again. And also in the box, this little screwdriver, so everything you need in this box in order to add them to your Oculus Quest. And what you can see here, this is the original manual of the Sennheiser HD25. So yes, these are the Sennheiser HD25. Go and check the web for reviews about this headset. Alright, but now let's get to it. First of all, look for the headphones with the red jack. This is this one, and this means this is the right side. Now, the cable is still glued together. You have to do the following. Simply pull it apart so that you have a bit more of cable to play with. Now completely unscrew the top screw and then get it out. And now also loosen the bottom screw a bit, but you don't have to get this one completely out. Now, of course, simply attach it to your head strap, the head strap of the Oculus Quest, and find the following position. Here, this area, it's still hard, it's not soft like the part behind it. So use this part now, get the screw back and put it back into the Modicap, and of course, tighten it. Now, once you've tightened this part, of course, also tighten the bottom part, the bottom screw, and that's it for the right part of the headphones. Now you simply plug in the headphone jack into the socket on the right of the Oculus Quest. Now for the other side, take the headphone and put it through just like this, here, not there, here exactly, and also connect it to the head strap. Just like before, of course, you also have to get rid of the screw first and also loosen the bottom screw. Once you've done so, you can put the top screw back and of course tighten both screws and you're all set. The next thing you do, you hide the cable. Of course, you don't have to do that, but well, it will look better. So get rid of the facial interface and then open this Velcro here and put the cable right between those straps and then close the Velcro again and also put the facial interface back. Like this, you have beautifully hidden the cable and everything will look super clean, just like as you can see here. And there you have it, the Modicap Oculus Quest Sound Kit. Alright, so as you've seen, it's really easy to install the Modicap Quest Sound Kit onto the Quest, and it will only take you like 1 or 2 minutes. So if you still need to adjust the position of these headphones, you can do so simply by loosening this screw here, and then you can adjust it to the right and left. Also, if you need to adjust the height of the headphones, you can also do this. It slides here, there's a slider, and then if you are happy with the position, you would simply tighten up these little screws here. So that's really, really nice. And now I'm going to put it on and play some Beat Saber so that you can see how well this actually fits over my ears. All right, so this is how it looks when you wear the Modicap Quest as sound kit. It's a super nice fit over my ears. Everything is nice and tight, and I believe that's really interesting for people not only who want the best sound for the Quest, but also those who don't want to do the Franken Quest, right? Who don't want to add the Deluxe Audio Strap to their Quest and who simply want and like this original look and feel of the Quest. Also, you still can do all the other mods. If you want to add the battery here in the back, you still can do so, and I believe that's really cool. But now, let me play some Quest. Let me play Beat Saber now. Cool, play. Alright, you don't need to see me play the whole song. Let's get to the point. How is the sound? I can just tell you the sound is amazing. It's fantastic. This is the best sound that I've ever heard from the Oculus Quest. This is of course way better than without the headphones, and it's also way better than with the Franken Quest with the Deluxe Audio Strap. It is really amazing. So these HD25 do a fantastic job, and they simply fit perfectly now here over my ears. And another added benefit that you also have here, this will put more stability onto this whole original Quest setup. So at this moment wearing this, I don't even have the feeling that this is so front heavy, because as you know, if you don't have any kind of mod installed, it does feel more front heavy. But this gives it more stability and overall a better comfort even. Now let's get to the sound comparison. I'm going to use this audio recorder in order to record the Oculus Quest without the Quest Soundkit, playing Beat Saber at 100%. Then I'm going to record the same with the Soundkit, and in the very end, I'm also going to do the same here with the Quest, with the Deluxe Audio Strap, and I'm going to show you the result now. Alright, I really hope that this could give you a good impression just how amazing the sound of the Modicap Quest Soundkit really is. So definitely this is the best sound that you can mod onto your Oculus Quest. Also, in comparison to the Deluxe Audio Strap sound, it is better. It's louder, there's more bass, and one important thing, you will hear less noise from outside because of the shape of these headphones. If you directly compare them, these will not completely block off the sound from outside. So definitely the sound is better here with the Modicap Quest Soundkit. Now, is everything just perfect and better here with the Soundkit as compared to the Deluxe Audio Strap? No, one thing that I prefer here with the Deluxe Audio Strap is that you can do this here. You can put the headphones off your ears if you want to do so. So this kind of functionality, we don't have it with the Quest Soundkit. And I told Modicap that this would be an amazing addition to some of the future editions. However, they replied to me that yes, they're also looking into it, but this would add another 50 or 60 euros to the whole kit, and then we would be around the 200 euros mark, and that would be quite expensive. And I can tell you, it is fine not to have this. If you simply want to have the best sound, you will be amazing here with the Quest Soundkit, and you won't really miss that functionality that you could put it away from your ears. Overall, the Modicap Quest Soundkit is my recommendation for the best sound on the Oculus Quest, and in my opinion, well worth the 129 euros asking price. So if you want to get this, you can get this from the link in the description below. It's an eBay link, eBay Germany. However, if you're not in Germany, you can still order from that link from eBay Germany, and Modicap is going to send them over to you no matter where you are on this planet. And that's it for this video. I really hope it was helpful for you and you found it interesting. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And now I want to hear from you. Are you going to order the Modicap Quest Soundkit? Please do let me know in the comment section below. And also, if you already have it, please do let us know what you think of the sound quality and of the comfort. If you haven't yet subscribed to MRTV yet, why don't you do it now and click on the bell button so you don't miss videos like these in the future. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode.